an economical way to preserve produce, meat, and fish. With limited freezer space, a bountiful harvest can be a challenge. Preserve all that garden goodness with a Presto pressure canner. Meat and fish too. The 80-page recipe and instruction book guides you step by step. Constructed of heavy-gauge aluminum, the canner is made to last. Works on electric, gas, and even smooth-top ranges. Pressure canning is the only method recommended safe by the USDA for canning low-acid foods like vegetables, meats, poultry, and seafood. The Presto pressure canner doubles as a boiling water canner for fruits, jams, jellies, pickles, and salsa. Use it as a giant pressure cooker too. The canner is covered by a 12-year limited warranty and is easy to use. Position the canning rack in the canner, add water, and place your prepared jars of food on the rack. Line up the arrows and the cover twists on. Turn on the burner, let the canner vent for a few minutes, and place the regulator on the vent pipe. Allow the pressure gauge to rise to the pressure that's indicated in the recipe and process for the specified time. Designed for easy, confident home pressure canning, it's the smart choice for food preservation. The Presto Pressure Canner. Available in 16 and 23 quart models.